Hey, we're Chris and Megan McKenzie from Sit Means Sit Tampa, and we absolutely love OdorPet because, well, it smells fantastic.
Absolutely, because we live in a warm climated area, especially in the summer months. It's very easy for you to get a very strong pet odor, and it really makes a huge difference on those days where we have crazy humidity and crazy heat. So it doesn't smell like a dog facility outside.
hmm
It smells pleasant.
And one of my favorite things about OdorPet is that it doesn't smell like the product plus whatever it's trying to
Urine,
clean,
no,
right?
it's not cherry urine.
It takes care of that.
Yes.
And so many of our clients have come in and said that how clean our facility smells, and we can hold about 25 dogs in our facility. And I don't care if it's on our turf outside. I don't care if it's on our vinyl flooring, if it's on our rubber floors. There are no stains anywhere.
And pretty idiot proof in the sense of how to disperse it.
I love Alpha Tech Pet because the staff that we deal with is absolutely phenomenal.